Hi everyone, it's your boy Ricky here for Honeybee Stamps. Thank you so much for being here today. We truly appreciate it. Today we are going to be making a greeting card using some products from the latest release. It is 9 years that Honeybee Stamps has been around, and it's so exciting to be able to use some of their products today. But before we get started, let's just do a few things. First, subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber. Secondly, click that notification bell so that you know a new video has come out. Third, leave some comments down below. Let me know what's up, how you're doing, all that great stuff. And last, share the love. If you know someone that may like this video, go ahead and send that off to them. Okay, without further ado, let's get down to the desk and take a look at the items we're going to be using today. Okay, so in today's video, we are going to be using the Happy Birthday die, the big Happy Birthday die. We're going to be using Mini Messages Sassy Birthday. We possibly will use the party layouts today. Not for sure on this, still trying to decide. We are going to be using some pattern paper from the Let's Party pattern paper set. And we're also going to be using the Lovely Layers Sweets die set. And then we're going to be using some pearls here and some various cardstock colors. So let me go ahead and get the camera ready, or I'm sorry, let me go ahead and get the table ready for our first step. Okay, so this card is going to have a lot of die cutting in it, you guys. Like, I think pretty much everything on this card is going to be die cuts today. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making this little cupcake here, which is super cute. So we're just going to follow the pattern of making the cupcake, the frosting, and then the candle, and all the little bits and pieces that will go onto the frosting. So these two colors here are going to be the frosting colors, and that is going to be this here and this one here. So I think we are going to do there and there. So we have that one down. Then these guys are going to be the sprinkles. So we're going to do some in this mint color, and then we're going to do some round ones in this lighter mint color. Then we have the cake part of the cupcake. Then we have the base of the cupcake here, and then the lines that go in between it there. Then we have our one part of the candlestick, which is going to be here in this glitter paper, which you guys can't see because it's off camera. There we go. And then the other part, I'm going to do black. And then the flame for the candle is going to come out of this piece of paper that I have. This is from Simon Hurley. I believe this is road cone, I believe it's what it's called. But we're just going to take this little piece here, which is the flame, and cut that out here. So I'm going to get all of this placed up onto the die cutting machine and get this cut out, and we'll come back and start putting the cupcake together. Okay, everyone, so we have everything cut out for the cupcake. So let's go ahead and start putting this together. The first thing we'll do is the frosting. We'll just go ahead and get that placed onto the second layer here. This is pretty easy. It's just kind of like a puzzle. You just lay it down here and just make sure it's in the right spots. There we go. So we have the first layer there. Then we'll put the cake on. There we go. And then we're just going to put just a little bit of glue on each one of these little pieces of the paper. We'll place that down. There we go. Then what we could do is place the frosting onto the cupcake. I'm wondering if I should pop this up. Maybe not. So let's just go ahead and get that glued down. There we go. It's coming all together really nice. And then let's go ahead and get the confetti placed onto the cupcake. Again, there is no set rhyme or reason for where you put anything. You just kind of put where your heart desires. You do want to make sure that they're upside. They have the right side up because you can tell a difference from the die cutting what they look like. All right, I think that looks good there. So we have the cupcake completed. Super cute. Love that. And then let's go ahead and do the candle here. So we're going to place the glitter cardstock on top of the black piece here. We're going to take this piece. Yep. Then we're going to get some glue on the back of this. There we go. So we have the candle done. Is we'll just stick the flame on that. Alrighty, so this is all put together. What we're going to do now is we are going to work on the card base and the sentiment. So let me go ahead and get the desk ready for that. Okay, so what we're going to do here is from the pattern paper, I am going to be using these two patterns from the paper set. So I'm going to run these through the die cutting machine and I'll be right back for the next step. Okay, you guys, as I was trying to get things situated for the card, I realized that this is actually going to be too big for the card today. So we're going to move away from this and we are going to be using this Make a Wish stamp set. So we are going to actually get that heat embossed onto black cardstock with white heat embossing powder. So we're just going to place that into here. All right, then we'll take our stamp, and it doesn't matter really how it's positioned because we are going to be using the coordinating die for this. And we'll go ahead, get that stamped out. You don't want to press too hard. You don't want to distort the letters. So if that means you have to stamp it a few times, that's okay too. That looks great. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and get this heat embossed, get the embossing powder melted. I will use the die cut to cut that out, and then we'll be back to start putting the card together. Okay, so we have everything to put the card together. What we're going to first do is we'll put this down onto the card base. Okay. And then I think what I want to do is pop this up with some foam tape. So let's go ahead and get that out. You guys, I'm addicted to foam tape. I can't live without this stuff. Alrighty, so that's going to look cute. I'm a big fan of putting color on top of black. It makes it pop really nice. All right, my head might get in the way here. Sorry. Alrighty. So then we have that, and I think what I'm going to do here is put this like little doily thing here. But what I think I want to do is maybe pop even that cupcake up, but I might do that with a smaller height foam tape. We're going to stack it to the gods. There we go. That looks good. Really should have thought that out. I think it'll be okay here. So what I'll do is I'm just going to glue this down. We'll tuck it down behind the cupcake maybe. There we go. All right, so we have that. And then we have the sentiment left. And I think that's just going to go like here. So we just need a little bit over the E here to hold this in. All right. Let's get this guy on. That looks good. And I think what I might want to do is add some, let's add some pearls to this. I think this would look really cute just to add a few onto the frosting. Let's add maybe a few pink ones here. That is looking super cute. Let's see. Alrighty, you guys, this is the completed card. Let's take a look at this. Super cute, adorable. I love that it has all the different layers. I love that it's on black. It has this pop of pink. And then what I really love is the pearls on the icing that just brings it all together. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. I hope you really enjoyed making this birthday card with me. Make sure you check the links down in the description for all the products that were used today. And also, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you share the video, click that notification bell, and then also subscribe to the channel. So until next week, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.